To you and me, let's try our best to keep it clean. Okay, let's see how we can keep our earth green. Don't throw the rubbish. Don't leave